Hey, what's up, Digibyte? Congratulations, my Digibyte. I have very surprising and shock news for Digibyte holder, my friend. First of all, I do a live price prediction of Digibyte, and after that, I have what good news for Digibyte holder, and also what's the target of Digibyte, and also what's my opinion to upcoming days, my friend. They're going up or they fell down, and what's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So absolutely the video is going very special, my friend. But before I get started the price prediction, first of all, my friend, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Thank you so much, my brother, for subscription and like this video. Okay, my friend, this time if you can see here just an only the last 1 hour chart. This is, remember, my friend, this change occur and this price, my friend. This remember before this at the end of video, this is very definitely, my friend, important to you know. So this time you can see here 0.74% they're going up. It's mean to they're going up like a rocket in upcoming days, my friend. Definitely they're going up. You can see here in the last 1 hour if they're going up. So this is moving up like a rocket in upcoming days also, my friend. So my friend, let's come out to the prediction, my friend, towards the prediction in upcoming days. They fails down or they going up. Yes, my friend, this time if you can see here, my friend, first of all, I want to draw a chart, my friend. So this time if you can see here, my friend, the first time you can see here they touch the highest point, and the second line is they touch, my friend, the lowest point, my friend. After a very smart fail, my friend, they take a very high jump. So this mean to they go up the here, my friend, and after this they fails down again, my friend. This is the circulation. You can see here they going up like a rocket in upcoming years. So it's mean definitely if you remember the last 1 hour chart, my friend, they're going up like a rocket. So it's mean to this time they're going up. So it's mean to they're going up also in upcoming days. So my prediction to Digibyte is upcoming days going up like a rocket. Here is not a small this time you can see here they take a very small fails, but after that, my friends, they also take a very high jump, my friend. So upcoming days, my friend, Digibyte is moving up like a rocket, and they give you very good profit in upcoming days because this is the end of the month. Definitely, my friends, they're going up like a rocket, my friend. But this time you can see here 0.78%, but you can see here the resistance line, they absolutely fails down. So therefore, my friend, the result is a negative. The change occur a negative, but I hope, my friend, when they touch the highest point here, my friend, absolutely they're going up like a rocket, and they change occur and positive, my friend. So wait for a good time, my friend. Upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit, and the target is, my friend, half US dollar. I hope they can hit it. This half US dollar is not very high for that, my friend, because Digibyte is moving like a rocket, absolutely, my friend. So my opinion, please hold it, my friend. Don't sell it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates.